If you've been feeling stiff, tight, or just not as strong as you used to, these simple daily stretches can genuinely change how your body feels. This is not about intense workouts or pushing yourself to exhaustion. This is about restoring movement, waking up muscles that have gone quiet, and helping your body feel younger, lighter, and more in control again. The best part is you can do all of this at home, at your own pace, without any complicated setup. Just stay consistent, stay calm, and trust the process. Start with Glute March. This movement looks simple, but it does something powerful. As you lift one leg at a time while keeping your hips stable, you begin to reconnect your brain with your glutes. Many people, especially as they age, lose this connection. That is why walking feels harder and balance becomes weaker. With Glute March, you are teaching your body stability again. Move slowly, feel each side working, and focus on control rather than speed. Next is the rocking frog stretch. This is one of the most effective ways to open up tight hips. Tight hips are a hidden reason behind lower back pain, stiffness, and poor movement. As you gently rock back and forth in this position, you will feel a deep stretch in your inner thighs and hips. Do not rush it. Let your body relax into the stretch. Over time, this will improve flexibility and reduce discomfort in daily movements. Then move into glute bridges. This is a foundational exercise for building strength in your lower body. As you lift your hips off the ground, squeeze your glutes at the top. This helps strengthen muscles that support your spine and improve posture. Many people sit for long hours, and this weakens the glutes. Glute bridges reverse that effect. Done daily, they can help you feel stronger when standing, walking, or even climbing stairs. Now shift into the crab pose. This movement opens up the chest, shoulders, and hips all at once. It also challenges your coordination and builds strength in areas that are often ignored. As you lift your body and hold the position, you may feel a stretch across the front of your body. That is a good sign. It means you are reversing the tight, forward posture that builds over time. After that, try elevated cycling. Lie down and move your legs as if you are pedaling a bicycle in the air. This improves blood flow, engages your core, and gently activates your hip flexors. It is low impact, but very effective. Keep your movements smooth and controlled. This is not about speed, it is about consistency and rhythm. Then go into the adductor stretch. This targets your inner thighs, an area that is often neglected but very important for stability and balance. A tight inner thigh can limit your movement and increase the risk of injury. As you stretch, breathe deeply and allow the muscles to slowly release tension. Finally, finish with mountain climbers. This brings a bit of energy into your routine. It gets your heart rate up, engages your core, and activates your entire body. Go at a pace that feels comfortable. Even a slow version is effective. The goal is to wake up your body, not exhaust it. If you do these stretches daily, you will start noticing small changes. Less stiffness when you wake up, better movement throughout the day, more confidence in your body. Stay consistent, stay patient, and your body will reward you.